Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And what I'm going to do is just get rid of that line there. It served its purpose for today. But really the two main levels that I'm very curious about, first off, this trend line right here. This will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Wednesday. But that I put that trend line into play, and wow, I mean, that trend line was just a very big annoyance. Early on in the day, you can see that's right where the price got rejected. And then there was one false breakout of it, another false breakout of it. And then after that second false breakout and the price fell back below, you can see right there again, rejected. Right there, once again rejected. So more of the story here, that trend line has made itself very apparent, and there's going to continue to be a lot of people watching that level, especially those breakout players that are going to be wondering, and rightfully so. I mean, it's not like it's a random thought to have. It's a more than valid thought to have. But in terms of, can the price break above that level? And if it can, that could very well be some sort of trend line breakout, which would then generate that much more upside buying pressure. So continue to watch that trend line as the main area of resistance. If the price can get the break of that trend line, the next key overarching level of resistance would be right up around 175.50. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, yeah, I still have this level down here, but the level that I'm going to be watching closely and very curious about is right down here around the 171 mark. 171, if that level falls, again, no such thing as a guarantee, but it's certainly a more than valid and rational thought to have that. If the price hovers sideways and then breaks down through that level, that could very well create enough downside selling pressure that creates a profitable trading opportunity. So keep an eye on that. So those are really going to be the two main levels that, like I said, I think a lot of traders out there are going to be watching, that resistance trend line and then that 171 area of support right here. So we'll see how things play out and close out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.